This is the War Brief Daily for July 26. Ukraine dominates the verified record in this cycle. Other theaters are omitted rather than filled with recycled headlines. Tonight, 3 points. Heavy multi-axis fighting in eastern Ukraine, a major two-way drone exchange, and a global check showing no independently verified kinetic escalation elsewhere inside this reporting window. First, the ground war. Ukraine's general staff reported sustained combat across multiple fronts on July 25th, with Pokrovsk, Siversk, and Lyman named as the most active axes. Its evening update listed 153 engagements by 2200 Kiev time. Other Ukrainian running reports carried higher totals, likely because they used different reporting cutoffs. The important point is not the precise number, it is the pressure pattern. Fighting remained active from the northern border and Kursk-related sector through Kharkiv, Kupiansk, Lyman, Siversk, and Pokrovsk. Pokrovsk remains the clearest pressure point, but there is no independently verified territorial change in the material reviewed, so there is no confirmed map shift to report today. Second, the air war. Ukraine said Russia launched 2 Kh-5969 guided missiles and 157 drones overnight. Ukrainian officials reported that most were intercepted or suppressed, but said 26 drones reached 9 locations, with debris reported at 4 more. Those are official Ukrainian claims, pending independent damage assessment. Moscow, meanwhile, claimed its air defenses destroyed 328 Ukrainian fixed-wing drones between the evening of July 24 and the morning of July 25th. Russia also reported precision strikes against Ukrainian targets, but the available reporting does not independently establish the targets, damage, or exact timing. Treat those figures as Russian official claims. Here's what matters. Interception is not the same as zero effect. Large dispersed drone packages consume radar coverage, interceptor stocks, emergency response, and repair capacity. Both sides are using unmanned systems not just to damage targets, but to impose cost and fatigue on the defender. Third, the broader global picture. No comparably significant, newly time-stamped kinetic event was independently established in the Iran-Israel theater, the Red Sea or Strait of Hormuz, Sudan and the Sahel, the Taiwan Strait, South China Sea, or the Korean Peninsula during this cycle. Older reports and ongoing exercises are not new escalation. We will not present them as such. Watch next for Ukraine's updated combat and air defense reports, Russian regional evidence of drone penetrations, and geolocated footage or satellite imagery that can confirm damage claims or any real frontline movement. Also watch for official maritime security advisories from Hormuz and the Red Sea. That's your War Brief Daily for July 26. Subscribe for the next verified update.